Good afternoon. Wanted to show you a glimpse of what I had to deal with on a Sunday afternoon in Chicago. It decided to snow. Man. Pick up this sweater. Look at this shit, man. We can't even move fast. We got the speed limit. I mean, we always do. You're supposed to drive safe. But some of these drivers, they they're trolling. Like, they get scared from one weather to another. Like they've never been driven before. Look at this one. See? Merging into a line that's not even moving. But he tried to speed up. So this is the type of weather we have to deal with during winter time. And it's not even winter, it's like regular weather for us. It's like summer weather. It's normal for us to have these random snow and but hey, it's part of life, man. You gotta cope with, deal with, drive with. I mean, drive in it. So enjoy your Sunday, and I'm gonna try to enjoy mine on my way home from kicking it with a couple friends. And hey, catch you guys later. Deuces.